Alright, today I got a bunch of stuff. English book, more English book, and I have more still coming. Calculator, because I kind of need this for number theory, combinatorics, and AP physics. Best of all, the K70 Rapidfire with red RGB lights from Corsair. I got this on sale, $99 on Amazon. It's like list 140, 150, some crazy number like that. And I'm going to be opening this now. For comparison, I'm using an Apple keyboard for my gaming. And don't get me wrong, I love my Apple keyboards, but that's an old and not super crazy good one. Not to mention, it also does not fit well with the PC environment. Now, I'll have a good mechanical keyboard. Oh, as always, it's packaged nicely. Open from here, of course. And oh my gosh, it's pretty. Okay. Tucking it under the iMac. Oh, turned it on. The their palm rest thing. Not sure if I'll use that or not. Just there. Then the keyboard. Oh my. Oh wait, what the heck? This cable is thick. Dang. Did not realize that. And two USB cables. Oh, that's interesting. I actually did not know any of that. Customization keys. Okay. Just pull this through. Cool. Oh, there's more stuff in it. Warranty guide, and then something else. Little sheet thingy. Warning, it says on it. Not gonna bother. Okay. Probably not thing to start with. But, oh, it actually kind of feels nice. I like it. It's a nice texture to it. Almost rubbery. Almost. Now for the keyboard. Rip this plastic, don't need this. It actually looks really nice, I must say. It types very well. So this is the Rapidfire, so it's 1.2 millimeter activation instead of 2 millimeter. Although I must say, I think I prefer Razer's keyboard a little bit because there's a little bit larger keys. But otherwise, the tactile feedback on here is awesome. I didn't want to go for the K90 or K. I think it's the K90 because I don't need a whole nother section of the keyboard that just makes it crazy long. But yeah, can't wait to try this baby out. I'm assuming it just goes on like this. Perfect. Let's feel that. Actually, that feels really nice. I like that. Sweet. All right, let's plug it in. Okay, now I have a streamlined design, which is nice, but I mean, still 2 USB ports. That's crazy sauce. Oh, not to mention the feet on the bottom. Very nice features, I must say. See, I also really want that mouse pad, but I was thinking that why would I waste or spend, wisely or not, my money on an RGB mouse pad? What is the sense in that? Yes, it has a USB block in the middle, which is nice. And it has RGB lighting, which is nice. But why would I need that? It's the but why question that I'm worried about. Alright. I love the sound of this. And that's a Q. Already have W, already have a D. Let's go replace these keys. Oh, here we go. Let's see, rain. Cool, but no. Pulse. Cool, but no. Wave, cool, but no. Aha, here we go. No. Don't like that. This one? Yep, that's the one I want. I can finally game with a gaming keyboard. This is actually really, really nice. I'm very happy I made this investment. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time with my next video. Peace.